In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI for tables data. By the end, you'll know how to create a fresh page, add a table, and let Notion AI build the structure and sample data for you from a simple prompt. First, head to your Notion home. This is the main landing area where you can see your workspace, pages, and recent items. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the table to live. If you're using the desktop app or the browser version, the layout is the same for this walkthrough. Next, click New Page. You'll typically find this in the sidebar or at the top of your workspace. This opens a blank canvas where you can add content, choose templates, or create databases. Give the page a moment to load so the formatting options appear. On the new page, look for the three dots under the Getting Started area. Click those three dots to open the Insert menu. This menu is Notion's way of letting you pick what kind of content you want to add. It includes options like text, media, and what we want today, databases. Choose Table. This creates a database table on your page with a few default columns. A Notion table is more than a spreadsheet. It's a flexible database that supports properties like text, numbers, dates, people, select tags, and more. Even if you're starting from a blank structure, you're just one step away from letting AI do the heavy lifting. Look for the Build with AI option. Click it to open the AI prompt panel. This is where you'll describe what you want the table to contain. If you don't see the option immediately, ensure the table is selected and you're viewing its header area. In the prompt box, type what you want the table to include. Be specific. Mention your goal, the columns you need, the types of each column, and how many sample rows you'd like. For example, say you want a project tracker with columns for project name, status as a select field, owner, start date, due date, and priority, plus 10 sample rows. The clearer your prompt, the better the structure AI can generate. Finally, click the arrow up button to generate. This sends your prompt to Notion AI. Give it a moment to build the table. When it appears, scan the columns and sample entries to confirm they match your intent. You can refine by adjusting property types, renaming columns, or regenerating with a more detailed prompt if needed. Once you're happy, you're ready to use the table in your workflow. And that's it. You've created a page, inserted a table, used Build with AI, crafted a precise prompt, and generated a usable database in seconds.